Do you want to create a video link and add it to your YouTube description? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a video link, and then I will show you how to add that link in your YouTube description step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then in the search bar, here you type Mediafire. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. And then press enter. After that, tap on official Mediafire website link at the top of the search results. Then tap on upload files now. After that, tap on upload icon from here. Then tap on add file icon at the bottom left corner. After that, tap on gallery icon to open gallery. Now select the video you want to link. So here I will select this video. After selecting, wait for the upload to complete. After the upload finishes, now you have successfully created a downloadable link for your video. Now I will show you how to add this link to your YouTube description. From here, just tap on copy link option. Now your video link has been copied. Then go back and open your YouTube app. After that, in your channel, tap on manage videos. Then select the video where you want to add the link. Now tap on the three dots on the right side of the selected video. Then tap on edit. Now in the description box, paste the video link you copied. Then go back to the previous page. After that, tap on save. Now your video link has been successfully added to your YouTube description. As an example, if I play the video, then you can see the link is visible in the description below. And now your viewers can see and use this link in your YouTube description. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.